First of all, what went through my mind is how stupid am I to actually volunteer for this.
दिन मेरे लम्हा एक जीऊं मैं तो दिन तेरे है तेरे साथ सफर जाना मुझे
It was unbelievably painful.